Hi everybody, it's Lewin here from Remote King. Here to show you how to program a 2017 and above Mitsubishi Pajero Sport smart key. This is the vehicle here, and we're going to be programming two new smart keys to this vehicle. It already has one working smart key. And this is the SK-MIT-112. Now, it's a relatively new smart key. It contains a bit of a different chip from the normal ID46 chips. This one actually contains an ID47, which we'll talk about in a little bit. So first things first is you obviously need to plug in your diagnostic tool. We are using Lonsdor to program, and the diagnostic OBD port is directly above the accelerator pedal on this model. And the other thing you will need to locate, which can be a little bit trickier, is the actual programming slot for these vehicles. In some of the earlier models, you would actually insert the key into the ignition, but these do not have a key. These will have a programming slot. On this particular Pajero Sport, the programming slot is down next to the center, near the gear stick, I would say is the best part, underneath the steering wheel to the left. So it's down there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to come over to Lonsdor, select IMO remote. We're going to select Mitsubishi. From Mitsubishi, we're going to go select from vehicle, China, and then we're going to select Pajero Sport. As I said, this is a 2018 model, so we're selecting 2017 and above smart key. And as you can see, there's a little symbol above the actual program smart key. And this means that it is a part of the subscription. You will need to get the subscription on your tool if you do not already have. You can, if you're a current customer of Remote King and you do need a subscription update, you can email us directly at techsupport@remoteking.com.au, just with the serial number of your device. Now, as you can see here, it says at least one key is needed. Select OK to continue. That pretty much means that all keys lost is not possible via this method. So we do have, as I said before, a working key. So we do have the required specifications. So we hit OK. And then it says insert program key into key slot, switch ignition on. So what that virtually means is put the existing working key into the key slot that I showed you before. Doesn't matter which way it goes in, it just needs to be inserted into that little hole. And then we need to turn the ignition on. So push the on button once and then twice, so you get all the lights on the dash popping up. And then from there, we're going to hit OK. It's going to ask us to enter the PIN code, which it's already calculated for us, so we're going to select OK. Current key count is 2. We'll select OK. So it's reprogrammed the original in now. We're then going to take a new smart key, like this. We're going to remove the existing out of the slot, and we're going to put the new one in the slot. You will want it with the, I guess you could say, the lock button facing inwards, so in towards it. And then we're going to hit OK. Within 30 seconds, insert the next key into the slot, which we have done. Select OK. We'll now program that one in. Program complete, and as I said, we are going to program 2 to this vehicle, so we're going to hit OK again. Same deal, remove the one that's in the slot, and then we're going to insert the new one. New one inserted into the slot. We're going to hit OK. Programming complete. Whether you program another one, that's all the smart keys we're programming. So hit cancel. OK. And then obviously we just need to actually make sure that the keys work. So I'll just unplug the tool. You must turn the ignition off with smart keys, obviously. And we're going to beautiful. I'm gonna close the driver's door. Make sure the original still works. I'm gonna put these other keys out of the way for a moment. There we go. So this is the original key, obviously. Still operates, of course. And then we're going to program, well, check the programming of the new one. New one. And second new one. They're all programmed remotes. And then just check the functionality of the actual vehicle as well. Make sure it does actually start. Put on the brake, of course. Make sure it is in park. So that's first smart key works. And then the other new one, put on brake. Starts. And just make sure with the original, not that it should be affected. Put on brake. And that's that done. So we've now programmed 2 additional keys to a Mitsubishi Pajero Sport 2018 model. Like I said, this one here does carry an ID47 chip, which is different to the 46 chips. So do be careful. If you try and program an ID46 chip to this vehicle, you will cause a fault with the vehicle. Alrighty, that's all from us. Thanks, guys.